Here's how you can make butter chicken lasagna. We made butter chicken pizza, pasta, wings, poutine, shawarma, mac and cheese. It's time for lasagna. Let's see how this turns out. To ground chicken, add yogurt, ginger, turmeric and garlic paste, garam masala, Kashmiri red chili powder, and lemon juice. Put this on high heat for a couple of minutes before cracking in one egg, and then low heat and cover it for about 10 minutes. In a separate pan, let's add some onions and green Thai chili peppers and get some color on them before adding San Marzano tomatoes, and you want to cook this down for a few minutes on medium heat. Now you can blend it, and in the same pan add a whole bunch of butter, chili powder and garam masala. Bring your tomatoes back into the mix along with black pepper, dried fenugreek leaves and salt. Mix well and then taste for seasoning. Add a bit of cream and bring your chicken back into the mix and cover this on low to medium heat for about 10 minutes. In a saucepan, let's add some butter and flour to make a roux, and then slowly add in milk and heavy cream. While it's on medium heat, periodically add mozzarella cheese and mix well until it thickens up. In the bottom of a baking tray, let's start off with one layer of butter chicken, followed by pasta sheets. I'm using ones that are oven ready, your cheese sauce, mozzarella cheese, and sprinkle on some cilantro. Continue to layer this until you get to the top, and then you can add some Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs. Lastly, top it off with black pepper and olive oil. Preheat your oven to 350 and cook this for 30 minutes and then broil it to get some color on top. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy.